together. So we're going to go to create a new project. Going to go to Python. We're going to create a blank Python project. And whenever we start, we're going to call this your name. And what we're going to call this, we'll call this Turtle Notes 2 or Turtle 2. So we've got Turtle Notes 2. So that we've got this. And we're going to hit the enter key, make sure we save it. We're going to open up our file for Python. And this is going to give us the, I want to do my, right, it changed on us, got our color. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all of this. We've created a new project, and we're going to start with some of our coding. So the first thing that we do whenever we do our coding, and I'm going to show you guys some new stuff today, and we're going to get it. Yes? You don't know? All right, so what we are going to do, the first thing that you always have to do is we have to get our turtle library. So we're going to go from turtle, import capital T turtle, right? So that's going to be from turtle, import turtle. Those are your first commands that you have to do. Then we're going to name our turtle. So I'm going to name my turtle just to make him fun today. I'm going to name him Sam. So Sam equals capital T turtle, and that's going to be Sam. And I do my parentheses there, and so that's going to be the name of my turtle. Name my turtle. So I'm putting my notes up here so you guys can see this. So then we're going to do some cool stuff today to set up what do we want our turtle to do. So what I'm going to introduce you guys today to is what's known as a loop. Okay, so this is going to be, you did a little bit of it when we did our turtle practice, but I'm going to show you guys how to make a loop that makes it so we have to do less coding to get our stuff going. If you want to name your turtle the same as mine, if you want to call your turtle Sam, awesome. You can call your turtle whatever you want to call him or her. So what we're going to do is you're going to write 4, and you're going to pick your favorite letter in the alphabet. It doesn't matter what letter it is. I'm going to go with X just because I like math and it's kind of a variable. So we're going to say 4X or for whatever letter in range. And then what we are going to do is put our parentheses in here. And I want you to start and do the number 3. We're going to do the number 3. And then you have to put a colon. So it's going to be the shift and the second key to the left of the enter key. So the 2 dots, which is going to be your colon. And what this is going to be, I'm going to give you a note, and this is going to be a way to start a loop. Way to start a repeat loop. And then when you hit the enter key, you'll notice that you're automatically indented. Your code is indented. It has to be indented because we're in a loop. So basically what we're doing is we're writing a program within a program. Okay, so we're putting a program inside our program. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have Sam go forward. And I'm going to make Sam go forward 40. And I'm going to hit the enter key again, and I'm going to make Sam turn right 90 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to make Sam go forward, make Sam go right 90 degrees. I'm going to hit the enter key again. And then if I want to get out of my loop to do something else, I can hit the backspace, and then I can say Sam.color, and I'm going to change Sam's color to blue. Right? Okay, so here's what I want to make sure you guys have. So indented part of loop, indented part of loop. This is going to be left aligned, not in loop. Then I'm going to hit play, and what you're going to see is my turtle almost made a shape, right? Almost made a square. What I messed up is this 4x in range, it repeats it 3 times. Forward, turn right, that's 1 time. Forward, turn right, that's 2 times. Forward, turn right, that's 3 times. Go back up and change this number to a 4. Change that number to a 4. Hit play again. And now I have a box. So what you are setting up is saying, how many times do you want to repeat the commands that you're putting in? So what I've done is said, I want to repeat these commands 4 times. Sam's going to move forward. Sam's going to turn right. And then he turns blue outside of it, right? If I wanted Sam to be still in the loop, I could put another loop in here to get it. So this is a way that you can make shapes using loops. So I'm going to show you another way. So we're going to go down to line number 7, and we're going to create another one that we're going to do. And either way, you can make these loops. So I'm going to do 4 count in range, and we're going to put a 3 in there. So we're going to do 4 count in range. So this is, in this, I'm just going to give you a comment here. Different way to loop. Okay, then I'm going to hit the, oh, I can't spell different. Well, there we go. Another way to loop. There it is. So I hit enter. I'm indented again. And this time what I'm going to do is we are going to make Ed go forward. Or not Ed, Sam. I named him Sam. Sam is going to go forward. And he is going to go, we'll make him go forward 35 this time, just to give him something. And then we're going to go Sam. We'll make Sam turn right. And we'll make him turn right 120. And then I'm going to add another one on here. We're going to do Sam, and this is a new command for you guys. Sam speed. We're going to make his speed, we'll make his speed 20, right? And so this is a new command. So change speed of the turtle, right? So it's going to change the speed of the turtle. I'm going to hit enter and play. So now it's going to show you my turtle. Right? So I made a triangle. So now I've got a blue triangle inside my square. Okay, so either one of those is a great way to make your shapes for your turtles. So you can do either way to get a loop. What I want you guys to do today is come up with and create 3 shapes using a loop. So you can make an octagon, you could make a hexagon, you could make something other than the square. I want you to kind of challenge yourself. I'll come around to you. So I want you to come up with and create, I'm going to leave this up here. I want you to be able to create a loop of a shape. So get a shape that's going to be some kind of a loop. You can either do the 4x in range and put the number of times you want to do it, or the 4 count in range and do it with that. Either way is perfectly fine. They're just a different way. There's 2 different ways that you can start a loop. So you can certainly just say, I'm going to stick with this one, and that's the only way I'm ever going to remember. Or you can alternate and use the different ways. You're setting up and just saying it's both of them are equally as good. Doesn't make any difference which one you want to do.